Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so we don't chase ghosts. Sign into the same Apple ID and enable iCloud. Apple Cache requires that linkage. Make sure your region and age meet Apple Cache rules and that your device runs the latest iOS. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches. This often frees blocked services. If prompts ask for identity or terms, follow them now so we can move to account-level fixes without interruptions. Now focus on your wallet and account connections. Open Wallet and inspect the Apple Cash Card status. Note any errors or limits shown. Then go to Settings, right arrow Wallet and Apple Pay and toggle Apple Cash off. Wait a few seconds and toggle back on to refresh settings. Next, verify linked bank accounts or debit cards. Remove a problematic card and re-add it to force revalidation. These steps address permission, verification, and payment path issues simultaneously. Finish by forcing a full sync and, if needed, deeper resets. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh account tokens. Make sure you know your password. If transactions still fail, gather transaction ID and device info, then contact Apple support for escalation. As a last resort troubleshooting move, reset network settings to clear corrupted network profiles. Note this removes Wi-Fi passwords. If that does not fix it, support can check your account and playbook server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.